from Grenada. I'm here with my national delegation. I'm actually a EOSIS fellow here supporting my national delegation and the work we do here. So the question I'm asked is, why am I here at COP? I think it's important as small island development states that we make sure that we are in this arena. We're at the table, we're at conversations, because whatever decision happens here affects us. We are the ones that are living on the front line of the adverse effects of climate change. So it's important that our voices are heard, our stories are told, and at least the developed world understands that this is not something that's going to happen coming year, but this is our reality. This is the life that we're living. This is the things that we're trying to get done to ensure that our population, our people can survive as well as thrive in this community.
Hi, my name is Isaiah Thomas. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm here to make a lot of connections with the Igbo Caribbean community and the wider community as well. And I'm happy to be here. We have Trinidad and Tobago and young role of the advocacy, and I look forward to many great outcomes, especially as related to youth, plant-based, and sustainable diets.